Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about the large order program on Doordash. So with all of the ways that you can make money on Doordash, there are a lot of programs that a lot of people can make a lot of money with. Right now, a lot of people are talking about the high pay order program. They're talking about Top Dasher, but I think one of the most overlooked ones, simply because there's not a whole lot to talk about with it, is the large order program. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said from Doordash about the large order program, how it actually is for gig workers, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that this is also a market dependent program in terms of how much you can actually make, and what it works for me in the markets that I've worked in may not work for you in the markets you work in. So with that said, let's get started. The large order program rewards dashers enrolled in the program the opportunities to receive more high value orders during any regular dashes they take. Dashers will receive these offers when there's a high value order in their area. These deliveries represent all large orders on the platform, including some catering deliveries, but cannot be scheduled in advance. These were the orders that I made bank on, by the way. These were the orders that I was killing it here in Florida with. I was cherry picking pretty hardcore. There were a few restaurants that did really well by me in terms of tips, and all I did was pretty much the large order program on DoorDash and some other apps, and I was making $1,500 a week on this alone. What benefit do I get from this program? High value orders mean bigger tips. Orders in this program have the potential to pay 2 to 3 times as much as a regular order. Dashers will have to consistently maintain the qualification criteria below to be eligible for these high-paying orders. We will go over the criteria specifically in a little bit. I am going through this on the DoorDash website. All links will be in the description, so we are going in terms of how it is presented to us on the website. Do I need any special equipment to join this program? High-value orders oftentimes have more items, making these deliveries slightly more challenging to deliver. Due to the need to carry larger amounts of food, DoorDash requires dashers to have at least one catering bag to be eligible for this program. Some orders may require additional effort and may be eligible for additional on-time or setup bonuses, which I am going to leave a link to the DoorDash catering bag in the description. You don't necessarily need the DoorDash bag. I know a lot of people have a problem with representing the DoorDash brand, but I am going to leave the DoorDash one specifically in there, and we'll talk about why specifically in a little bit. How do I start getting large orders after enrolling in this program? With your catering bag in hand, it's easy. Just do what you do best. Your dashing experience will look and feel like the same once you are enrolled in this program. The key difference is you will start receiving more opportunities to accept large order assignments. Yeah, it's not too much different than your normal DoorDash orders. Like, the only exception to that rule is that sometimes they will literally tell you what bag you need. As if it's a large pizza order, you're gonna need your pizza bags. If it's a large catering order, you're gonna need your catering bags. Again, I recommend having both. For large orders, you'll see a catering bag label before you accept. These extra assignments occur because when multiple dashers are available, we will assign large orders to the dashers in this program. Simply hop on the road and accept the deliveries when they are assigned. There's no need to schedule these deliveries in advance. Yeah, for a while, DoorDash Drive was a pre-claimed opportunity. And I know I've said the large order program and DoorDash Drive are two different things, but pre-claimed deliveries are no longer available on DoorDash. So not only there's no need to schedule pre-claimed deliveries, they're no longer available on the platform. Also, the catering bag label will look something like this. Pre-enrollment. How do I qualify for this program? In order to qualify for this large order program, dashers must meet the 2 requirements below. Requirement 1. Quality eligibility criteria. You must meet the criteria below, measured as of the most recent of the full month. 200 100 plus lifetime deliveries, 100 plus deliveries in the past month, 4.7 average star rating in the past month, and 95% completion rate in the past month. Note, to remain for this program, you must continue to meet these criteria after you're enrolled in this program. Eligibility criteria are subject to change. So a couple of things on the way they say this is actually why I love this program so much. Number one, there's no rating requirement for acceptance. You can literally accept or decline as many as you want, but still have the catering option available to you. And second, probably more importantly than that, they did say you have to maintain these stats. You have to maintain these stats, but the stats are not necessarily that hard to hit. Like 100 plus deliveries in a month, you'll probably knock that out in a week and a half. 200 plus lifetime deliveries. You probably should have that within your first couple months on the platform, at least. A 4.7 average star rating in the past month. If you have less than a 4.7 in your customer rating, I am just concerned. What are you doing to these customers? This is where people, I think, will get tripped up, is a 95% completion rate in the past month. Because if you're the kind of person to accept a very okay order and not follow through with it for whatever reason, maybe it's the merchant being a pain in the butt or the customer is being micromanaging, you'll be tempted to unassign from it relatively quickly. But you gotta maintain over a 95% completion rate. The ratings are on a rolling average and you'll probably be able to keep them up very quickly, but it's still something you really need to keep up overall. Requirement 2, equipment. You need to have a standard catering bag. You'll need to confirm that you'll have the equipment to complete these high value orders, which again, the DoorDash catering bag's gonna be in the description. The reason why I say that one is a great one to just get onto the platform is because that DoorDash will have to sell you the standard catering bag in order for you to actually do these orders. Like, imagine if they sold you a catering bag that doesn't fit those requirements. What kind of scam would that be? It sounds very DoorDash, but it's actually not. Enrolling. How do I qualify to join the program? Follow these steps. Step 1, receive an invitation email. This program is currently only available by invite. DoorDash will invite dashers via email who meet the criteria listed above and dash in areas where additional dashers are needed to fulfill large orders. There used to be a link on this page to where you can request an invite, but they don't have that on here anymore. Now, I don't know if the link I still have will work, but I will leave it in the description. This was on the last large order program video that I have. It's gonna be in the description still. Make sure you check that out because I think it's actually really important that you have that you at least try to reach out and let them know that you're interested in being a part of it. Step 2, verify they have a catering bag. Once you receive the information, you just have to confirm they have the necessary equipment to complete large orders, which they will do that all in-app for you, but overall, you just gotta show them that you have the standard size bag, and DoorDash actually sells the standardized bag. Oh, but the standardized bag is really expensive. You're in business for yourself. Start acting like it. Invest in your business and make more money. I don't know why that's such an issue. Step 3, confirmation. DoorDash will review your submission and send you a confirmation email if you are eligible. Once you are approved, you are eligible to start receiving large order assignments immediately. Note, not every market is in need of more dashers to do large order deliveries. If you meet the minimum requirements but have not received an invitation to sign up, your area likely has enough dashers already. An invitation to sign up will be extended once more dashers are needed. In the meantime, interested dashers are able to sign up for a waiting list to be considered once invitations open up in their respective cities. Yeah, not every area has the large order program, and not every area is looking for large order drivers, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't try. Again, that link to that I was talking about is going to be in the description. If it's possible to request an invitation that way, I don't know if it is anymore. Either way, it's something to consider. How do I get a catering bag? You have 2 options to obtain a catering bag. Option 1, purchase a DoorDash branded catering bag from the DoorDash store. The links that they provide, one is for US Dashers and one is for Canadian Dashers. both of which will be in the description. Option 2, purchase a non-DoorDash branded catering bag from a third party. You can purchase a non-DoorDash branded bag from any third party, including other delivery services, as long as the bag meets the catering bag standards listed below. And they provide a few examples of some catering bags you can use. I am sure there are affiliate links too. Do what you will with that. And I know that there's a lot of drivers that prefer not to represent any one company, so that's also something to consider if that's what you prefer. How do I confirm that I have a catering bag? Option 1, purchase a catering bag at a DoorDash store with a promo code. You'll be auto-enrolled into the program if you use the email address associated with your Dasher account to purchase a catering bag from the DoorDash store with the promo code from your invitation email. You'll receive a confirmation email within 5 business days of your purchase to let you know when you are eligible to receive large orders. So if you already received an invite from DoorDash to actually be a part of the large order program, you could use the promo code and you'll just be auto-enrolled. I don't know if it'll still charge you for the bag, but I'm pretty sure that if you use the promo code, it'll go from I purchased the bag, I could start immediately. And it's really that simple. Purchase a catering bag at the store without a promo code. If you purchase a catering bag from the DoorDash store, you will need to send us a picture of your catering bag to review. Photos must be submitted using a form that is included in the onboarding invitation email. We'll review your submission within 5 business days and confirm your eligibility. You could do that without the promo code, but honestly, there's so much extra hassle to it. It's almost not worth not using the promo code. Purchase a non-DoorDash branded bag, which again is going to have the same photo submission process as option 2. Again, that's why I believe it would just be easier just to use the promo code, just hop on that way. Don't take the 92 extra steps that you have to. Just make sure you use the promo code and you make more money much sooner. What are the catering bag submission standards? Please submit a clear photo of your catering bag in your possession, not a stock photo from a website. We need to be able to tell if the bag is in your possession. So basically, you have to actually take a picture of the bag, not necessarily just rip a photo from a website. For those of you looking to get around the system, don't. Your catering bag needs to be insulated and standard catering bag size, at least 22 wide, 14 long, and 13 deep. Which they show you an example of what is eligible and what is not, which one is the standard catering bag, one is a DoorDash bag, and one is a DoorDash pizza bag. Which a pizza bag is good for pizza orders, but not good for catering orders. Those are two different things. What if I have more catering bags now? If you are not yet in the program, you can let us know by including all of your catering bags in your photo submission. If you are already in the program and purchased more catering bags, there's no need to contact support. If you want to just use the promo code just to get into the program and then just use other bags while you're there, that's an option as well. Save yourself the hassle and just have more bags available. That's possible too. What if I have an issue redeeming my promo code? Double check to make sure that you're using the right promo code. If it's still not working, keep the following in mind. The promo code may have expired. Only one promo code is redeemable per purchase. The promo code is not transferable and may only be used by the person who received the promo code. Promo codes can't be applied to a previous purchase. So it's not like you can go over to a website like Reddit or something like that, pull a promo code from there and apply it to your purchase. You have to use the one in your invitation email. What if I have a shipping issue regarding a catering bag I ordered from the DoorDash store? Remember, you can track your shipping using this link by using your email address and order number. If you need further assistance, you can reach out to DoorDash at overturepromo.com. A promo code may have specific limitations. Please see your invitation email for the terms and conditions distributed with the promo code for details. If you need further assistance, please reach out to DoorDash at overturepromo.com. I haven't used that email for any reason. I haven't had any issues with the one time I had it. And honestly, when I hopped on the catering program, I actually didn't need any of these steps because DoorDash offices were still open at that time and I was able to just walk in and hop on that way. Post-enrollment. How do I know if I'm receiving orders after enrolling in this program? These high-value offers to look look similar to regular offers. Some may be group orders that are individually packaged or corporate catering orders, but will have an order subtotal of above $100, typically with a larger item count, but cannot be scheduled in advance. Orders that require the use of a catering bag will contain an icon in the acceptance modal. More details about that icon can be found here, which again, that icon looks like this. And orders that have a subtotal of above $100 and have a large item count, I feel like you're gonna know if you got a large order. Is it possible to opt out of large deliveries? You are free to accept and decline any opportunity you are offered. It's possible to opt out of large delivery offers. Please reach out to the Doordash support team if you need further assistance. I can't imagine a single reason why you would want to opt out. If you are in an area where large orders are being made and there's nobody tipping, you got bigger issues than just being a part of the large order program. I'm sorry, you're in an area where DoorDash may not be viable at all. Now, I do have a few side notes that I'd like to go over about the large order program on DoorDash. Top Dasher speeds up the process. There has been a lot of talk about how Top Dasher actually speeds up the process. Sin City Deliveries has talked about that. He's actually talked about it on Pedro DoorDash Santiago's channel. I'll be honest with you, when I got the invite, I was highly pursuing Top Dasher. Was I meeting the Top Dasher requirements in terms of ratings? No, it was mid-month at the time and I had Top Dasher. So I can't confirm nor deny how Top Dasher plays a part in you actually getting into the program, but I do want to say it is possible that's the case. If you're requesting an invite, like I did leave a link in the description so you can request an invite, it's possible that if you have Top Dasher, it will speed up the process. I'm not guaranteeing it. I'm not saying that's the case. I'm saying it's possible. Customer is greater than app requirements. So with some large order opportunities, they're actually DoorDash Drive opportunities and ask you to take a picture of the setup, which is not necessarily fun, but it is required. But the request of the customer does come before the request of the app. So if the customer is like, oh, just leave it there, it's fine. Take a picture of where you left it and dip. It's that simple. Don't lose it. Seriously, once you're on it, don't lose it. Don't be that guy that has to unassign orders all the time. That's not right to you. There's a lot of people that lose the large order program that really need it back and they really want to keep at it. So if you get it, don't lose it. Did I miss anything? Is there something else about the large order program that I have not discussed in this video yet? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that everything that needs to be said about the large order program as an overview is said, and we can actually make sure that everyone makes the most amount of money as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.